Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Today in the studio, we have Kavanaugh Studio Event. She's from the Junction Chamber of Commerce. Now, we're going to be talking about Second Tuesday, but there was something that the last time you were here, you were talking about.
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about that and what's happened since the last time you visited.
Yeah, so last time I was here, I was trying to rally as many votes as possible for the Small Town Showcase. We in Junction wanted to be in the top 5 to win the spotlight, and we won.
All right.
Which is great, yeah. So we were actually in second place out of 41 communities in the state of Missouri. We got second place.
Second place. Now that's impressive. So
it's very exciting.
Definitely rallied the votes. So now what happens from here for that?
Yeah, so from there, they will bring a film crew in and sort of shoot a marketing video about Junction. Why is this area really? Because I really think it is a regional effort. And why Junction's so special? Why do you want to live there? And our businesses and our Bluegrass Festival and all of those things. We will also be a part of a podcast. We'll be in their annual publication, and then they'll talk about Junction at their little banquet gala. So it is, we really are going to get big exposure just for our little area, and we are the only one in Southwest Missouri. I know there was one up in Kansas City that had one, down in the Ozarks and the Boot Hill, up towards St. Louis. So we're in our own little area, and it's great to announce that because of everyone and because of your votes, we were able to get a top 5 spot.
Yeah, and number 2 at that.
Number
so,
2.
I mean, that's not bad. Like you said, out of 41 communities, that's a pretty impressive take.
Yeah.
So, and of course, I mean, Junction is a great smaller community with that big city connection. You don't have to travel very far to get what you need.
No.
And anything else you need is right there in the city. Plus, like you mentioned, the Bluegrass Festival and other events that you have,
yeah,
which includes Second Tuesday.
Which is tonight. The rain go away. And we're doing Retro Night. It is our final Second Tuesday of this year. So this is the last chance to come out and experience it. We always have a ton of fun. We love our themes. So Mid-Missouri Bank Residential Lending, Sean Parks is actually our sponsor, so we couldn't have done it without him, but we will do a retro night. There's specifically a business that is giving away Game Boys. Game Boys.
All right.
I know.
Okay, so for me with the kids, that's an even bigger reason to come up.
So there will be vendors that are going to be doing some back to school shopping, so you can shop local at some of those boutiques, getting ready for the school season. There's a lot of giveaways, a lot of chances to win prizes like Game Boys. There'll be live music. There'll be bounce houses. We'll do VR demos with Pennington Station. If you've ever done the video game virtual reality, we'll be inside our office. Food trucks. There's just a lot happening on Main Street tonight. It starts at 4:30.
All right. Now, I've been talking about the forecast, and there may be some rain around that time. If there is, are there alternate plans, or does it depend on how much rain is falling?
I think it just depends on how much rain is falling. We are thankfully in front of our chamber office, so we also have a couple other buildings. People can go inside, but there will be no rain. No rain.
I'm going to work on it. I'll try and keep it down on the Joplin side and away from Junction. So.
Please, don't forget where we are, but between 4:30 and 7:30 tonight. Hopefully it is, I think, going to be a lot cooler. So that will be nice because it's been hot this summer. So just a lot of fun. It's a lot of family fun too. There's always something for every age.
And what was the inspiration for Second Tuesday? What got you guys thinking about this and saying, you know what, this is something we need to do?
I really wanted to do something to bring people to our community. People maybe, from the surrounding area, like you said, we are tucked off in our own little corner, but we're so close to everything. We're so close to Joplin. A lot of times you don't even realize that you've left Joplin or Webb City and you're in Junction and vice versa.
Right.
We have so much to offer with our parks. The Ruby Jack Trail goes through there. We have our businesses and our restaurants. And so I thought about, what is an event that we can do to bring people to our city? A lot of the surrounding areas around us have Food Truck Friday. They've got Third Thursday. And so I wanted Junction to have something of their own besides the Bluegrass Festival, which everyone knows us for.
And of course, and that's a big festival
all coming
on its own. So,
I know, a little over a month. But Second Tuesday, we're always, as a Chamber of Commerce, we're always looking for ways to bring people to our community to experience it. And, and it helps that we're so close to everything.
Yeah, yeah. For those in the neighboring communities, you don't have to travel very far to be able to experience this.
Yeah.
So. All right. Well, Kavanaugh, thank you so much. We've
you.
got second Tuesday tonight, 4:30. Food trucks, bounce houses, live music, games, vendors, and she mentioned prizes.
Prizes, Game Boys.
Game Boy prizes, which you cannot go wrong with. So, well, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
you.
Make sure you make it out tonight, rain or shine, and we'll do what we can to keep it dry. We've got more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.